For too long, insights teams have been forced to choose between two imperfect paths. Path 1, traditional agencies, high quality, but painfully slow and expensive. Path 2, standard DIY tools, fast, but lacking strategic depth. Waiting weeks for answers means losing the window to outpace competitors. You shouldn't have to compromise. That's why we built Quantilope, a technology company obsessed with brand growth, agency-grade rigor, agility, evidence-based answers in real time. At the heart of Quantilope is our brand growth system, a complete insights ecosystem built on three essential pillars: our AI-native platform, classically trained experts, and scientifically proven solutions, working together as a single intelligent growth engine. Exploratory research, identifying the where and why, uncovering the hidden white space that becomes your unfair advantage. Activation research, de-risking the how, replacing gut feel with analytic certainty before you spend a single media dollar. Monitoring research, tracking the impact, forward-looking indicators that show whether your marketing is actually building the memory structures that drive sales. But these pillars don't operate in isolation. They form a dynamic AI-driven flywheel, and at the center of it all is Quinn, your AI research partner, the intelligent bridge between pillars, automating the heavy lifting so your team can move from raw data to growth-driving strategy in seconds. Quantilope, your brand growth partner.